this is the Tickled Pink Events channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you've watched before, welcome back. I want to encourage you to click the subscribe button. That way you'll always know when I upload. Also, if you want to go a step further, you can click the notification bell, and that will send you a notification the moment a new video is up on my channel. Now, without further ado, you know what time it is. It's cocktail time! Woohoo! And today's cocktail is themed for Valentine's Day. A day of love, of appreciation. I know some people are into it, I know some people aren't, but no matter what, you can drink a cocktail. Whether you're booed up or single, cocktails will always do the trick. And for me, my idea of a romantic evening is not going out to a restaurant. It is staying home with some good food and some really sexy good cocktails. And I have the perfect cocktail for your Valentine's night. It is pink, it is sexy, and it is delicious. And it is sure to make sure your Valentine's night is lit. Also, it's good and strong, but it's very subtle. So I think you're really going to enjoy it. But enough talking, time to make some drinks. So tonight's drink is called the Bradshaw. It is named after Carrie Bradshaw, one of the lead characters from, you know what, Sex and the City. How could this drink not be sexy? It's named after a character from Sex and the City. So, now you know how the girls in Sex and the City love their Cosmos. This is not a Cosmo. It's a twist on a Cosmo though, because it's got the lime juice and it's pink, but it's got a little different kick. So, to make our Bradshaw, we are going to start off with 4 ounces of Don Julio. Now, the recipe does specifically say Don Julio. So not Hornitos, not Suaza, not Jose Cuervo, not whatever you get at Costco. It specifically states it asks for Don Julio. So, it's Valentine's Day. Splurge a little, show your boo that they're worth a couple of coins and get the Don Julio. Now, if it's like not a special occasion, you could probably sub in any silver tequila. But I do find this is super smooth and gives a nice subtle edge on the cocktail. So, 4 ounces. Now, this cocktail recipe I'm doing right now will serve 2 drinks. But if you want to do it just cocktails for 1, you can do that too and just cut it in half, or you can double, triple as needed. So we got 4 ounces of Don Julio in. Next up, we have 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and that is fresh. So get to squeezing. Do not punk out and buy jar, can, whatever lime juice. It just doesn't taste the same, and it doesn't take that long. It's like 4 limes. So 1 ounce lime juice. So you see how it's kind of like a Cosmo with the lime juice, but instead of vodka, well, there's a little vodka. We'll get to that. I'm getting ahead of myself. So after that, we're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. And simple syrup is just that. It's simple. It's equal parts sugar and water that you simmer on the stove till the sugar dissolves, and bam, you got simple syrup. I like to make a large batch, about, a couple cups worth, because it sits in the refrigerator and I always have it on hand when it's cocktail time. So we're going to use 1 ounce of simple syrup. There we go. And then here's the fun, sexy ingredient that when I saw this recipe, I was like, this is Valentine's Day. We are going to use X-rated vodka. Now, X-rated is a vodka infused with mangoes, passion fruit, and blood orange. So it gives it this really beautiful pink color. It's not super strong. It's like about 17%, so it's not as strong as regular vodka, but it definitely gives it that citrusy, fruity kick, kind of like a Cosmo. So we're still on that vein, but just a sexier twist on it. I call it like an updated Cosmo. But yeah, X-rated. So, it's for the grown and sexy. We're going to use 1 ounce of, actually we're doing 2 ounces, my bad, of the X-rated. And that's it. Like, that's all your ingredients. Super simple. No fuss, no muss. Everything's easily available at your local liquor store. I mean, you can find this at Total Wine, Bevmo, wherever you buy your alcohol. These are very easy to find ingredients, nothing fancy. Now, you're going to shake it up. We got in our jigger of ice, and it's time to shake, shake, shake. Shake it really well to get the drink nice and chilled. Incorporate all the ingredients. And there. Got it. Nice and chilled. Now, I'm going to pour this cocktail into my prepared glasses. And what I mean by prepared is, check how cute this is. I have cocktail coupes that have been lined with lime juice and rolled in hot pink sparkling sugar. So cool. And this is the garnish it calls for in the recipe. Hot pink crystallized sugar, which is amazing, which again, it just adds to the vibe of Valentine's Day. So you got your little hot pink sugared rim, and then we're just going to strain our cocktail into our glasses. I've got 2 for me and my boo. But if you don't have a boo, make 2 and drink them both. Hey, no judgment here. Valentine's Day is a day of love if you're loving someone else, or you know what the most important thing is? You love yourself. So either way, it's going to be a good day. So we are going to pour that in the glasses, and it makes 2 perfect cocktails in a pretty coupe. There we go. Now, the final garnish is just a cute little slice of lime on the side because it does have lime juice. And it just gives a little contrast to get all the pink. And FYI, my favorite color combination is pink and green. So I was in love with this cocktail from the jump. So now that we've got our cocktails, it's time to set the mood, put on some slow jams, you know, light a fire, light some pretty candles, and start drinking. Wishing you guys all a lovely, happy Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. And cheers, everyone!